Hi, thanks for clicking on this video. Today, I will show you how to use green screen on CapCut. Make sure to subscribe to fix it for more tutorials. So the first step is to open up the CapCut app, and then go over to your existing video. Project or create a new one. I'm just going to create a new project, and then make sure you have your background footage and the green screen footage saved to your files. The reason why you want background footage is that once we remove the green screen, it will have a transparent background, so you need something as the background for your green screen. So this is the video that I want to overlay the green screen on top of. Once you've got your video ready, what you want to do next is tap on Overlay, and now tap on Add Overlay, and then select the video that you want to remove the green screen from. So once you import that file, you can adjust its size to fit the scene. Just with your 2 fingers, you can zoom in on the video, and then swipe through the toolbar at the bottom until you see an option called Cutout. Once you find it, simply tap on it, and now you'll see 3 different options. Since we are working with a green screen, just tap on the Chroma Key, and then select the color that you want to remove. In this case, it's green. Once you select the green color, tap on Intensity, and then adjust this slider. You'll see that as you increase it, the green background will disappear. And if you have color leaks around your video, tap on Shadow and play around with the slider until it's fixed. So now, if I play this, you can see it has no green, and then subscribe button appears as it should in a video. So now all you have to do next is tap on the export button at the top right corner of the screen and save it to your gallery. If this tutorial helped you today, make sure to subscribe to fix it. Leave a comment below on what you want to see next.